So this is the third part of our entire series, which was based on our research that was done by our SEO labs. I think the assumption that we started with is just to see if the zero-click SERPs, the search engine results page, have really gone up. And in the last episode, I had shared that we have seen specifically for transactional keywords, it has gone up by about 53%. There is a 53% decline in the click-throughs on SEO listing. So understandably, I think the question is, what are some of the best practices that the marketers can really adopt to really at least optimize for the new SEO, as I call it, because the old SEO is, in my opinion, gone by now. So if you really look at the inherent, how this entire dynamics work, effectively, people are asking questions, which is basically in the form of search queries, and the answers come up. And earlier it is the listings coming up, and now it is AI generated overviews or AI overviews, which comes up. So one of the things which we have really found tremendous use in is just doing a mapping of what are the things related to your product or brand, which folks are likely to ask. So we call it the people also ask queries, and really mapping them out and really optimizing for that, which is a good reflection or a good way to really understand the user intent very well. The second recommendation I would have is to prioritize a full funnel approach, because no longer can you really optimize only for the bottom of the funnel, because this is the entire consumer journey. And the interesting part about this entire consumer journey is, in many cases, that may include not coming to the website as well. So the customers or prospective customers may really find as to what they are looking for directly through the AI overviews and decide not to really come to your website, and somehow really may get broken as well. So, I mean, creating or planning for a full funnel content strategy becomes extremely important for you to really optimize for this new world of SEO. So these were just two of the things that we have really mentioned or shared in our best practices checklist, which we call the SGE, or the Search Generative Experiences of the AI Overviews checklist. You can click on the link to download this and really be prepared or get your SEO to be future ready.